Tired of dealing with dry, brittle hair that breaks at the slightest touch? Imagine a simple step that not only restores softness but also strengthens every strand from root to tip. Keratin Leave-In Conditioner delivers exactly that. A powerful infusion of natural keratin designed to rebuild damaged hair's cuticle and bring your locks back to life. What makes this leave-in treatment stand out? It's the unique blend of keratin combined with nourishing jojoba and argan oils. These ingredients work together to improve your hair's elasticity, making it more resilient against everyday wear and tear. Plus, the intense hydration it provides means your hair feels softer and shines brighter, without weighing it down or leaving residue. I started using Keratin Leave-In Conditioner daily after showers, applying it before brushing. The difference was noticeable within weeks: less breakage, smoother strands, and a healthy shine that turned heads. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and fits perfectly in my bathroom cabinet or travel bag, so it's always within reach. If you're like me and hate running out of your favorite hair care, the new monthly subscription option is worth a look. It guarantees you never miss a day of treatment, keeping your hair consistently nourished and protected. No more last-minute store runs or worrying about forgetting to reorder. Ready to give your hair the care it deserves? Keratin Leave-In Conditioner offers a simple, effective way to rebuild damaged hair, boost elasticity, and lock in moisture every day. If that's you, this treatment is a smart addition to your routine. Try it when you're ready and see the transformation for yourself.